A very delightful evening to each and everyone present over here, respected elders, honorable guests, and my dear brother and sister. In the name of Holi, the Lord Krishna, and the blessings of Ma Bhadrakali, I offer my respectful pranama to everyone gathered over here in the divine land of Idkori. It's truly amazing and honored to perform over here in this big stage. I am Shreyanshi Soni along with my little sister Sambhavi. We are the members of ISKCON, and today with the folded hands we are seeking the blessings of our devotion. So with the Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We are going to start a powerful Narsimha Aarti, prayer for protection and strength. And after that, we'll present another divine song. So let's get started with Narsimha Aarti.